Hello guys, this is our new channel. Yes guys, today I'm talking about how to earn more money from online without monetization. Yes, YouTube without monetization you can earn more money. How will you do? Today talking about this. Yes, first need to create your YouTube channel. Yes guys, which category you can which category you can sell this one, like example, like with affiliate. Okay, example, like I have my watch, I have my t-shirt, I have my shoes. Okay, or I have example anything. Okay, so what you do, you create one channel and you upload the video with watch. Okay, your example with t-shirt, you make video this t-shirt quality, how is the brand, and this one and rate and everything. You can uh, do one video, short video. Okay, example. So after you, what you do, after you can create more video, like example 30-40. Okay, but this is new channel. Okay, so what you do, after you can do, start by boosting, and you don't forget to you give the description this link, like when one you website, get your website, and you this website you can put the product, like shoes, watch, like t-shirt, everything. Okay, so you put the link description, this video description, you put link, any viewer you can watch. But don't forget, before you you select the category, you select the category video, and tag title, you SEO your video properly. Okay, then you can boost your video, and which people you boost on, which viewer this one like, and this t-shirt like, this viewer you can boost your video. And when you boost your video, okay, viewer find this video and watch, and he will like, and he go decision and go that you will also, you can put also your number that decision. Okay, so he will contact you and he will buy. Yes, so this is like affiliate. Okay, but without monetization you can without monetization you upload the video and earn money this way, like affiliate. Okay, so guys, don't waste time. This is very simple way. Too many people earn more money. You can do also. Try, you can do also. Okay guys, so guys, don't waste time. Today to start the without monetization video upload, and you can earn more money. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend, like, comment. Okay, so Allah Hafiz. Today Allah Hafiz. Tomorrow inshallah coming new video. Okay, bye bye.